Hey guys, this is what life is like now at Home Depot. You gotta stand here, you can see all the X's. And I'm coming in here just for something simple. Hopefully they won't tell me to stop filming. There's still people in here shopping. Oops, sorry about that, guys. People are still being together. Wow. Not a whole heck of a lot. Shelves are still empty. Jeez. No Lysol. And there are the boxes of rubber games they don't want to burn down. And now they just announced they're closing at 6 p.m. Laundry soap, pretty good. Anybody want a plunger? This store is very empty compared to what it normally is. I mean, look at the, where the guy's cutting anything. Paper towels in there here. None. You're not going to find any. This is going to be a small video, so the store is so empty because they're only allowing so many people in here. I mean, these aisles are empty. And social distancing, a lot of people are not practicing that. And I've come in just for the roll of tape because I'm doing some home projects to keep myself busy. Grab one from the back. Tell you one thing, everybody is with buying things out of here, boy, your home value is going to go up by the time you're done doing all your renovations. I know my house is going to go up. I mean, they have all this roped off so you can't even walk up to it. Wow. One other little thing I need. This is definitely different shopping now. This is a lot different. I don't even want to reach into this bin just to grab something. I don't have much of a choice. I'm trying to show you what the wood department looks like. I mean, this store is like a ghost town right now. Normally there are tons of people in here. Well, guys, I'm gonna cut this one short here. If you guys like what you see, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for notification, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Just trying to show everybody what is going on in the world with the COVID-19, how life has changed dramatically. Hopefully we will all get through this soon and everything will resume back to normal. Till then, everybody, stay safe, wear your gloves, wear your mask, and I'll see you guys soon.